after having her meds. She's actually doing a lot better today. She's walking around. She actually hopped out of the pen area, jumped up on top of the crates to get out. Oh, her little tail's wagging. Oh, she's so sweet. Those coyotes are awful. Sorry, love, I didn't mean to wake you up. Her little tail wagging. Oh. You're okay, silly. Oh my goodness. Silly girl, you heard me talking. I'm sorry, baby. Hey, baby. She needs a little bath. I think she might enjoy a bath, actually. Hi, silly. Gonna say hi to everybody. Everybody's gonna be worried about you now. Yeah, I'm worried about this Dottie. Oh, naughty Dottie. Sweet girl. She's in the office area here with me. Hey, sweetie. It's going back to bed. So cute. She likes being a house doggy. She didn't sleep in her crate last night. She slept out on these blankets, and I actually have a little warming pad underneath those. So she just felt comfy in there. She got bit up pretty bad. Mostly around her throat and stuff. Brian thought maybe the collar had actually saved her. There's bite marks in the collar. It's bent. And, yeah, it's really crazy. Her little ear's ripped. Hey, Dottie? Don't scratch your ear, lovey. Put some stuff on it for her. But it's probably itchy because it's got a little scab area, a little dry area. Try to keep it moist so it's not too itchy. Okay, go back to bed. That's a good girl. Isn't she sweet? Oh, sweetie. I shouldn't be talking to you. You want to come out for a belly rub, I know you do. Hey, sweet girl. Got belly rubbies. Her neck is still really swelled up. Oh, snorkel. Hey, baby girl. Those coyotes, look at this. Didn't affect your little tail wagging. Didn't hurt the tail. When I pet her, I can find other areas where they bit her. Like there's a really deep bite mark in there. It's got a little scab. She's quite sore all over. Sometimes she'll flinch when I just touch her, just petting her. Oh, they've really done a number on her. Especially around the neck area. Like she's really bitten up in there. Poor little sweetie. Yeah. She's doing better though. She had her medication. She's been eating lots. She likes eating still. This is a black spot. That's not like hair missing or anything. It's just a black dot on her, in her fur. So at first I thought, oh no, what is that? It's just her fur. It's okay. Nobody bit you on the spot, right? Nobody bit you on that spot. Hey, baby. Say hi to everybody. Yeah, she's a beautiful girl. Nobody bit you on the nose. Your little nose is okay. Hey, lovey. Yeah, so she's gonna be my little companion for a while, right, sweetie? Ah, you already started being naughty today, so you must be feeling better. Yep. Isn't she love?